Good evening everyone. So welcome to Akshar IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Yeah. So from integers topic we have discussed some definitions, right? What are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers and their form. How the even numbers will be, how the odd numbers will be. Am I right? So until then we have discussed some points, right? So this is the time to test your skills. Nothing but how much content you remember until then. So based on that we have one practice sheet that is already given in your material. So it contains only 10 questions. Practice sheet number 1. So this full that means all the questions are based on the just basic concepts, nothing but definitions and all. Definitions and general forms and all. Okay, children? Yeah. So let us solve this. Right. What is the first question? Smallest natural number. So we already discussed that natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. We usually count from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what is the smallest natural number? Obviously 1. So 1 is your answer. 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay. Right. And what is the largest natural number, children? Very good. It is not defined. Now coming to the second. The numbers between 21 and 32. The numbers between 21 and 32. So I gave you the formula also. If A is a smaller number, B is a larger number, then the numbers between A and B are B minus A minus 1. What is the formula? B minus A minus 1. Yeah, let us substitute. Here A means smaller number, B is larger number. So what is the larger number among 21 and 32? Very good. Obviously 32. And what symbol here? Minus. A value is nothing but smaller number. Smaller number is 21. Again minus 1. So first let us subtract first 2. 32 minus 21. How much? Yes, very good. 11. 11 minus 1, 10. So this is only the formula for between numbers. In some cases, the question will be asked that how many numbers are there or how many natural numbers are there from A to B. From A to B is difference, between A to B is different. From A to B we are using the formula B minus A plus 1. From A to B. Okay. But only between numbers we are using it B minus A minus 1. Am I right? Very good. See, the total numbers 32 minus 21 is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. Come to the third question. Largest whole number. Very simple. Simple, basic questions. Largest whole number? Yes. Like how the largest natural number is undefined, same way largest whole number also undefined. Smallest we know. Smallest obviously 0. Okay, na? Good. Fourth question. Repeated addition is called dash. Repeated addition is called dash. Yeah. Actually, the repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So, the multiplication concept we can call it as repeated addition. Okay, here one question for you children. What is division? What is division? Yeah, same like multiplication is repeated addition. In such a way, division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Okay. Next. Question number 5. Division Division of any integer. Division of integer by 0. Okay. Now here, division of integer. Which integer we should take? Integer means we have all positive numbers. Lot of positive numbers are there and so many negative numbers are there. 0 also there. 0 also a integer. Am I right? So take any one of the integer like 5. 5 is divided by 0. 5 by 0, or take instead of 5 you can take 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. If you take any number divided by 0 is not defined. Not defined or does not exist. Any one of the option. Okay na? 0 by anything. 0 is divided by any integer is 0, but any integer is divided by 0 is not defined or does not exist. Your answer is not defined or does not exist. Next, 6th question. Square of an odd number. Square of an odd number is always. Square means what? Actually the square number is nothing but the number which is multiplied by itself. The formation of a number is multiplied by itself gives its square number. 3 into 3. 3 is a number. It is multiplied by itself again with 3. That means 3 into 3 gives 9. So 9 is called square number of 3. 9 is called square number of 3. Same way, odd number is given here. Odd numbers are nothing but they are not exactly divisible by 2. So odd number means take any one of the odd number. Okay, 5 or 7. 7 is an odd number. Square of 7. Square means 7 power 2. So square of the number means you have to multiply the 7 2 times. 7 into 7. 7 sevens are how much? 49. 49 is even number or odd number? Always odd number. So square of any odd number is odd number. Or product of two odd numbers also odd number. Okay na? Sequence. Smallest natural number 1, we know that. Between numbers formula we applied. Largest whole number we know does not exist or not defined. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Division of any integer is not defined. Division of integers, any integer by 0 is not defined. Square of an odd number is odd number. Through the example we can see. Okay na? Right. Now coming to the 7th question. Yeah, see here children. General form of even number. We discussed the general form of even number. Yeah, guess any one of you? What is that? Very good. So general form of an even number is 2n. 2n or 2x or 2y, whatever. Where n is the set of natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers. Okay, no? 2n. Every even number is in the form of 2n, multiples of 2. Next. Yeah. Do we discuss about this modulus of x? Okay, no problem, we can discuss again. If x value is less than 0 means the value should be lesser than the 0, like -1, -2, -3, all are the numbers are less than 0 only, no? Yeah. So, negative numbers. Simply, x is a negative integer, then modulus of x. Modulus of x. Now, let us discuss about that modulus of x here one more time. Right. So, modulus of x. There are two cases or two conditions here. We have to call this symbol as modulus. Okay. So, for finding this type of, while you're seeing this type of x or y, any number in this type of lines, nothing but in this modulo, we are calling that absolute value. What we are calling? Absolute value. Okay. Right. So absolute value, this symbol we should pronounce as modulo, modulus of x. The first condition is modulus of x is x only. It is possible where x value is greater than 0. That means if you take any positive number means greater than 0, gives the answer positive only. For example, modulus of 5 is 5 only, because 5 is a positive number. Okay. Now second, modulus of x is minus x. Second condition. First condition, modulus of x will be x only. Second condition, modulus of x will be minus x, where x value is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative integers. Let us take here also one example, minus 5. So here minus symbol as it is. X means what? X means minus 5. X means minus 5. That is equal to minus of minus become plus 5. So overall answer is plus 5 only, but when you take the negative integer, you should write minus x. So see, x is less than 0, so modulus of x will be minus x. Modulus of x will be minus x. Okay, na? Right. So absolute value, simply should remember the point, absolute value of any integer, it will gives the positive value, whether the integer will be positive or negative. Clear? Very good. Ninth question. Number of primes between 1 to 100. Number of primes between 1 to 100. We already discussed. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. 100 to 200, 21 prime numbers. Am I right? That is clearly given in your material also. You can learn about it. So prime numbers means the numbers having exactly what? Very good. 2 factors. The numbers having exactly 2 factors. What are the 2 factors? 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Very good. So the number of primes between 1 to 100 are 25. 25 prime numbers. Okay, na? What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 9 is not a prime number. Now while you are observing here in the set of primes, except 2, remaining all odd numbers only. Remaining all odd numbers only. Only 2 is the even number. So in the set of prime numbers, 2 is even prime. 2 is even prime. Remaining all odd primes. Very good. Like 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, and so on. See 1 to 50, 15 primes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, na? 15 primes. And 50 to 100, 10 primes, total 25 prime numbers. Okay? Yeah, here between 13 also will be there. Except 2 remaining are which primes? Odd primes. In the set of prime numbers, even primes. How many even primes are there? Very good. Only 1 even prime, that is nothing but 2. That is nothing but 2. Yeah. Coming to the last question for this practice sheet. Among the following coprimes, So here co-primes means the pair of numbers. Pair of numbers means two numbers. Pair of numbers always need not be primes. We can take one prime number, one composite number. Okay? We can take one prime or one composite number. But the condition should be satisfied according to the co-primes or relatively primes is between the two numbers it must have only one is the common factor. Because one is the common factor for every number, no? So except that one, we should not get any common factors. We should not get any common factors. That type of numbers are called co-primes or relatively primes. Did you get it? Yeah. So simply, I told you already one more time, if you take any two consecutive numbers, so most of the time, they are satisfying as co-primes. Right. Now let us check that 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. Both are prime numbers means they don't have any common factors except one. Any common factors except one. So it is a chance to becoming a co-primes. Not chance, exactly co-primes. And the difference between them is 2. We can call these also twin primes also. So this pair can be twin prime or co-prime even. Both. Now this one, 5, 20. Both will come in 5 table. 5, that means both will come in 5 table means 5 is the common factor. So that means they are not co-primes. Am I right? I said only one should be the common factor. Here 5 also coming as a common factor. Both will come in 5 table. Now these two are not a pair of co-primes. 15, 20. These are also coming in 5 table. Both numbers. They are also not co-primes. 6, 18. Both are coming in 3 table, 6 table also. 2 table even. So remaining 3 options are not satisfies the condition. What is that? The number should be the common factors. No common factors except 1. Okay, now? I hope you all understand about all these questions. Yeah, once check it, children. Practice sheet completed. Now we should go to exercise. First exercise. Okay. So again revise these topics. General form of even numbers, odd numbers. What are the prime numbers, co-primes, twin primes. Co-primes another name relatively prime numbers, perfect number, square number. And here we discussed about modulus of x. What is the absolute value? The absolute value of any number is always positive, whether it is a negative or even. Okay? Right. Now coming to first exercise. Yeah, exercise 1. Multiple choice questions. Largest 2-digit prime number. Yeah. Exercise 1. First question. Largest 2-digit prime. Okay, now let us check what are the prime numbers. Largest 2-digit numbers means here 90s. 91 to 99 we'll check. 91 is a prime number or not? All are thinking that 91 is a prime number, but 91 is not a prime because it will come in 7 table. 91 is not a prime, it will come in 7 table, so it is a factor of 7. I told you already prime number means only 2 factors, 1 and itself. 91 is coming in 7 table also. So 7 also a extra factor. 92. 2 is even number, so not a prime. Except 2 we don't have any other prime numbers. 93. Both will come in 3 table, so not a prime. 94 even number, not a prime. 95 5 table will come, not a prime. 96, 6 is even number, will come into table, not a prime. 7, 98, not a prime. 99, 9 table, 11 table. So what is the chance for us? 97, you check. 97 will not come in any other table except 1 and itself. So what is our answer, children? Yeah, 97 is one and only prime number in 90s. 91 to 99, because we have the largest 2-digit number is 99. After that 100. 100 will be 3-digit number. So that is the smallest 3-digit number. So this is largest 2-digit number. In the largest 2-digit number we have 97 is our prime number. Okay, good. Coming to 97 is our answer. Second question. See the second question. Least 2-digit composite number. Least 2-digit composite number. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers means we discussed it, right? Yeah, more than 2 factors. So, but here asking the least composite number. So we know, 2-digit composite number. So 2 digits we have starts on. We are getting from 10. 10 onwards 2-digit numbers are starts. 10, 11, 12, 13 like that up to 99. All are 2-digit numbers only. Least 2-digit number. So let us check 10 is composite number or not. 10 is composite number or not? Yes. 1 table is coming, 2 table also, 10 will come. Here only we got 4 factors. 1, 10, 2, 5. 4 factors. More than 2 factors means composite number. So least composite number is, very good, 10. Least 2-digit composite number. 2-digit least number. Okay, na? Least 2-digit number also 10 only. Least 2-digit composite number also 10 only. Third. Now coming to third, exercise 1, third question. Predecessor of a prime number is. Okay. Predecessor means, come on. Very good. Nice answer. Exactly before number. Or the given number minus 1 will give you the predecessor of that number. Okay, na? Very good. So predecessor of prime. Prime number, there are lot of prime numbers. Infinite set of infinite numbers are there in the primes. Primes also infinite numbers are there. We cannot count. So in that, which prime number we should take? Take any prime number. Let us take 2 or 3 models. 2 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Okay. Now, predecessor means before. 2 before what? 1. Here, 7 before 6. What is this? 6 is nothing but even number. Here, odd number. So, predecessor of prime number will be even or odd. Okay, if 2 is not a prime number except 2, if the question is asked that except 2, what is the predecessor of a prime number is always even, except 2. Okay, na? But here 2 also a prime number. If we consider 2, definitely the answer will be even or odd. Both we should take. So in the question, there is no discussion about 2. So we have to consider 2. I think you have the option, third option, odd or even. Next, coming to fourth question. The successor of a prime number. Successor means immediately after number. Same question. Successor of prime. Tell me the answer, children. Again, even or order. Successor, same numbers I am taking. 2, 7. After 2 after what? 3. 7 after 4. Sorry, 7 after 8. So 2 is odd number, 8 is even number. So again our answer is even or odd. Okay now? So this is also how to keep it as a successor of a prime number is. So you can change the options, actually it is not given. So according to your answers, one will not be, 1 is not a prime, and sorry, according to your options, let us check. Your options are 1, 200 and 55. Let us check your options. So we have to check the answer according to options now. Successor means after number. So if you take 1, it's before 0. 0 is not a prime, so we should not consider 1. 2 before what? 1. 1 is not a prime number because these are the successors. Okay. For checking 3 before 2. 2 is a prime number. For every prime number is asked, no? So 2 we are not considering. 100 before what? 99. 99 is also not a prime number, so we are not considering 100 also. We are 54. This is also not good. So there is a mistake in the answer. Successor of a prime number is not given actually. Change the second option as 3. Change the second option as 3. Okay. Now it will be the answer. 3 before 2. 2 is a prime number, so successor of a prime number is next. Fifth question. Sum of first 10 odd numbers. So we already discussed about sum of even numbers and sum of odd numbers, right? I am writing again once again. Sum of first n even numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1. N into n plus 1. Very good. Same way, sum of first n odd numbers. What about odd numbers? Is n square. N means n can be 10, 20, 40, whatever the number it can be. The sum of first n odd numbers is n square only. Here according to your question, sum of first 10 odd numbers. So in the place of n we should write 10. First 10 odd numbers is 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10, 100. So what is our answer? 100. Okay, no? Right. Next, Pythagorean triplet we discussed, right? Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So simply Pythagorean triplets are nothing but, for you I am telling again once again, Pythagorean triplets means the numbers are in the form of L square plus M square equal to N square. For example, L, M, N. Triplet means combination of 3 numbers. Triplet means combination of 3 numbers. These 3 numbers are called L, M, N are called triplet, but they should satisfy the condition we discussed already. What is that condition? Square of first 2 numbers, L square. Square of second number, M square. If we add both of them, the answer should come N square. So sum of the squares of first 2 numbers is equals to square of third number. Then we should say the set of 3 numbers are called Pythagorean triplets. The 3 numbers are called Pythagorean triplets. Okay, right. So according to your question, what are the options are given here? First option 3, 4, 5. Sixth question 3, 4, 5. Second option 6, 8, 10. Third 8, 15, 17. And fourth option 10, 24, 25. But the question is asked that which of the following are not the Pythagorean triplets? Not the Pythagorean triplets. According to this, let us check it is Pythagorean triplet or not. 3 square. 3 square means 3 3s 9. 4 square. 4 4s 16. 9 plus 16 25. 25 is nothing but 5 square. This is Pythagorean triplet. So, not our answer. Because the question is asked that which of the following is not the Pythagorean triplet. Am I right? Here also 6 square 36. 8 square 64. Add both of them, you will get the answer 100. 100 is nothing but 10 square. 6, 8, 10. This is also Pythagorean triplet. So, not our answer. Third, 8 square 64. 15 square 225. Add both of them. 289. 289 is nothing but 17 square. 17 17s are. So it is also Pythagorean triplet. So not our answer. Let us check for last one. 10 square 100. 10 square 100. 24 square. 24 24s are 576. Add both of them. 676. 676 is the square of 26. 676 is the square of 26. That means last number must be 26. But here it is given 25. So the option is not the Pythagorean triplet. So our answer is 10, 24 and 25. Okay now? Once again revise all these concepts and try to practice more for getting the betterment and speed calculations. Okay now? So we'll discuss the remaining sums in the next maths period. Okay, thank you one and all. Have a nice day.